In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open layers in Canva, a helpful tool for arranging and managing elements in your designs. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just diving into the world of graphic design, understanding how to work with layers can significantly enhance your workflow and creative potential. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you have a clear understanding of how to access and use this feature effectively. First, let's get started by heading over to Canva's website. Open your web browser and navigate to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in using your credentials. Simply click on the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. You have the convenience of several sign-in options, allowing you to log in through Google, Facebook, or with your email. Choose whichever method is easiest or most suitable for you to access your account. Once you're logged in, you have two choices. You can either jump right into creating a new design or navigate to an existing design that you've already started working on. It's entirely up to you depending on where you need to apply layers. If you're starting a new project, click on the Create a Design button. If you're working with an existing one, find it in your dashboard and open it up. Now that your design is open, you'll need to select an element within your design. This can be any element, whether it's text, an image, a shape, or something else entirely. Just click on the element you'd like to adjust or organize within the layers. Selecting an element is the first step to accessing the Layers tool. With your element selected, direct your attention to the toolbar above the editor. Here you'll need to locate and click on the Position option. This is where you'll find the different organizational features Canva offers. Clicking Position will present you with a few options designed for organizing the layout of your elements. Within the Position menu, you'll notice a tab labeled Layers. Go ahead and click on the Layers tab. This action will open up the Layers panel, which is a key component of effectively managing the order and visibility of elements in your design. The Layers panel is now open and will display all the layers in your current design. Each layer represents a different element or group of elements. From here you can easily reorder layers, which is essential for ensuring that your design elements overlap in the way you want them. This feature allows you to bring elements to the front, send them to the back, or rearrange them in other ways according to your creative vision. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to open layers in Canva, giving you more control and flexibility in your designs. Remember, mastering layers can really elevate your design game by bringing a level of refinement and organization that's often crucial in the creative process. Happy designing!